and welcome back to Renegade 88. This is a follow-up of the unboxing of the FST 750 carburetor. This is going to be great. We're installing it and letting you know what we think about it. The greatest thing that I love that's on here, it says, please note that every FST carburetor is run on an engine test stand and fully tuned by our technicians for optimum performance. That's great. That means it's out of the box with awesome. Tuned, ready to go. But we got a supercharger, so we're gonna have to tune it to that. But this carburetor should run pretty great right out of the box. We shall see.
Grab the big, grab the big, grab the big. Grab the big orange stick one.
That was...
Where are you reaching? Hey! Stop it! Try not to lose the ball!
I should have at least gotten a good chunk of it. Correct grip.
Like a lot!
Alright y'all, the FST carburetor is installed. She started up nicely. The only problem is the fuel levels are a little too high from what we wanted, and she runs a little too rich for us. So the roads are a little wet, so we're gonna have to wait till, they dry out to test drive her and tune her properly.
That was very Shatner.
Welcome to the video.
There's something on the wing.